Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and here we go. This is Dnepr 16. Beautiful motorcycle as far as I think. Here we have the flag of our club. Motorcycle fun club Aviators. And today I'm gonna ride this motorcycle for the first time in this season after I changed the fuel tank. As you can see, it's a little bit different color compared to the rest of the motorcycle. Maybe you'll need to paint it again, but anyway, I don't really care. And this is what I call the beast, that you don't really need to care about the paint, about the chrome, about everything. Now let's start it. We'll see how it starts. Perfect machine. Absolutely fantastic machine. I'm gonna ride on a highway today, not on off-road. Just wanna give you my impressions. Oh, what happened? What had happened? All right, let's try again. Maybe I need just to warm it up a little bit. So far, it's working fine. Yeah, nice. And it attracts lots of attention because it's a sidecar, which is very rare in our case. Not so many people used to ride these bikes. Well, before they used to ride, but now it's quite a rare motorcycle. Baby, let's go. I like this vlog. Nice. Alright, let it be there. I think I'm doing around 35 miles an hour, maybe 40. Very slow, I would say, but anyway, if you calm rider, if you easy rider, it's okay for you. What I like here is front brakes. I like it a lot. I like them a lot. And I don't care now about my brakes anyway. I have good stopping distance with the front brakes. It's perfect. I would like to have hydraulic brakes on the aft part and also on my sidecar, but anyway, what I have is also nice. On the road back maybe I'll go for refueling, but now I just need to cover a little bit more than 3 kilometers maybe till our meeting point. And today we are going to meet together with my mates from my club in local restaurant. Yeah, this guy should do around, I think, I cannot see his speed indicator, but I think he's doing around 70 kilometers an hour, and maybe I'm doing around 80 now, which is quite okay. The spark plugs were very dirty. It means that I have too much of fuel coming from my carburetors. Maybe I need to check or tune the carburetors. I like 2 carburetors on this boxer engine, so for each cylinder you have separate carburetor. That's quite okay, I think. It's quite okay. Because if you have the mono carburetor, probably have different fuel distribution to your cylinders. So one cylinder may have one mixture, air fuel mixture, the other may have different. But it's very easy to tune that single carburetor, of course. But you may have different mixture because you need to have some tubes, to your cylinders, and one tube can be greater than other one. Those intake channels, I would say. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared riding this motorcycle, and I'll tell you why. Because I don't know what's inside that engine. I didn't do any jobs with it. I didn't even tune the valves. I didn't regulate the valves, the intake and exhaust. I bought it like this with this engine. What I tuned is, these bars, the screen, all this kind of tuning, but I didn't go into the engine really. So I didn't know what was done with it, because this motorcycle is very old. But so far, then I put the throttle, with rides, and I think it's okay. So far so good, but I may have engine problems at any time, because it's not Japanese made motorcycle, not American made motorcycle, it's Dnepr. It's very old and unreliable machine. What I did with the engine was just put in the new generator from the tractor for 700 watts, and I think that's all, nothing more. I put different carburetors because they were quite old K63 carburetors. They're also good, but the fuel consumption is quite great. Here I need to pay some attention on the road. And here we go. This is our meeting place. А ты умеешь на колясочке? Попробуй, только в правых поворотах аккуратно. И ножку включил и не держи на включенной. Ну, включил лапку и убрал ногу сразу с переключения. Это все? Что все? Вот все. Ну да, ему много не надо. Газку, газку. У него холостые маленькие. Привет, Вов.
Это так красавчик. Я тебя немножко отнял.
Сейчас я заведу.
Опять?
Да, я заведу. Он так не заведется. Не, давай, давай.
Можно я попробую?
Давай. Не, он сейчас тоже не заведется. У него холостые маленькие. Да.
А привод полный, да?
Да.
Вилка так смотрит, как крыла. Вот это аппарат. Поставлю по колесам. Правым разворотом.
I need to tune the idle RPM. The RPM.
Естественно, я было на 15 человек.
Странно. Ну, главное, я сюда приехал. Понятно. Okay, here we go. Есть. Пускай здесь стоит. У меня тут есть стояночный. Не, он в стоке идет. Beautiful Honda Goldwing, white color. I like this a lot. Harley-Davidson electric glide and Yamaha maybe Midnight Star or something, or Royal Star. It's 1.8 liters engine, 1800 cc. It's Honda VTX. More new Goldwing. And what we have here, Honda Shadow and Honda Shadow again. Harley-Davidson, I don't remember the model. Maybe it's, guys just tell me what is this. Maybe it's some kind of Road King classical motorcycle. I don't really know. We have some old train there. This is barbecue actually, so we can cook here. So here you can cook, you can make the barbecue. And my motorcycle, Dnepr 16, great one. Oh, our flag. Let's go to meet my friends. It's a good place, crazy barbecue. Quite a nice place, countryside. Someone has his birthday or something. Girls only. So here we go. This is my Dnepr and it's already night time almost. I want to hide this flag to the sidecar. I don't want to lose it again. This engine is working fine. I like its operation. A little bit high RPM on idle, but it's okay. So I'll just leave it like this. I'll switch off the lower light, leave only this big light over there. Should be like this. I use the front light. It's a China made, but it's installed on, should be installed on Jeep Wrangler. And now it's time to go. Need to release the parking brake. Okay, parking brake off. And we gotta go. Some of the cars here. Yeah, brakes here are okay. pickups. And now we are entering the highway. This bike has a quick shift transmission, so you may select the gear without clutch. It's like on a modern BMW or KTM motorcycles, where for KTM you need to pay some extra to change from regular gearbox to quick shift. On this very simple motorcycle, it's already there. It's already quick shift gearbox. Oh my friends, I like it. I don't know my speed now because the speed indicator seems to be not working correctly, but anyway, I feel fine. I would like to have 5 gears on this gearbox to reduce the engine load if you're on a highway like this, but it's okay. Some bikers. Bikers or riders, if you know the difference, please tell me, guys. Biker, I think it's more about the culture, and rider, it's more just about the fun to ride the motorcycles. Like I'm doing right now, just riding this bike, full of adventure. I hope my engine will be fine on this bike. Maybe I should put the other one, but you never know, maybe even the new engine can explode in the middle of the road here. Yeah, I like this cold weather. It's a little bit cold. There's an airplane flying, and I also like that I have some wind protection. Like I have big screen over here, and I have wind protection for my knees and legs, and I can feel the warm air coming from this boxer engine just on my feet, and it's a little bit warming up my legs, and I feel absolutely comfortable on this motorcycle, even though it's quite cold outside, but I feel absolutely great. I have just a light jacket with me, on me. What do we have here? Some traffic jam or something? I think so. My horn is not working. Okay, just remember that this is not the motorcycle. It's the sidecar. And yes, we have the traffic jam. I don't know why do we have it, because it's quite late. And here we go. Some off-road, maybe. Yes, why not? Because it's also off-road motorcycle. You can avoid those traffic jams if you want. Okay, here we need to take the road. Why is the traffic jam over here? I don't know. It's very late for it. Let's go and refuel here. All right. I don't know why, but they say 95 Mustang. Let it be Mustang, because I have Mustang over here, some part of the paint. And here we go with the fuel. Just want to leave it like here. Now let's go for refueling, for money giving. I just want to say that I want a full tank, and that's all. Alright, so we cooled down the engine a little bit, and now let's go to the traffic jam. It's a worst case scenario for this kind of motorcycles, to go for the traffic jam. Need to get away from this part of the fuel station, because you may light up the fuel. Well, it used to be before. All right, here we go. I don't know why, but then the engine is cold. It starts in better way, I would say. Off-road again. Yeah, why not? And yes, third gear, perfect. finally, my friends, what can I say? I love this motorcycle. I don't like my paint job on this fuel tank, but in general I like this motorcycle. I like everything, but I'm not sure about this engine. But so far we don't have the fuel oil leakage from the engine itself, but I'll show you, my friends, something. But we have the oil leakage from the final drive here, so motorcycle was staying here, and we have some kind of leakage over here, and from other side also. So from this shaft, from differential drive, from the drive itself, from final drive. But I have the spare engine also, spare engine, spare gearbox over here. This is from Ural, by the way. We have the oil leak, I think it's from this seal over here. And also I have one more engine. Yeah, it's a little bit dirty inside this garage, but I also have, this is the new one, and this engine is the best what I have. But so far this engine runs, so in case something will go wrong with it, I'll put this engine. And this is superb engine. Everything is new here. The valves, the intake, the exhaust are from BMW. The pistons are well made, Poland made, with a greater displacement volume. I think this engine is perfect. And also I have one more generator. Sorry guys again. I just recently moved here, you know, all my stuff. I have one more generator from the tractor in case something will go wrong with my generator on this motorcycle. I may put that one, and yeah, I like it. I like it more than VTX for sure. I need to paint this stuff also. Yeah, I need for sure. Well, thank you very much for watching me, guys. Hope you like this video. It was my first run this summer on the VTX with this flag. And don't use the stuff like this, because you may just break it like this and your flag will just fly away, and it's not a good idea for the flags. Well guys, share it, like it, and have a great time.